Hello everyone, welcome to Comtech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to configure IPv6 ACL on router. Did you remember at the previous video I also show you how to configure standard and extended ACL. If you want to brief to know how to configure on it, you can check the previous video. Yes, in the video and we have two PC access to server that we have configure ACL IPv6 on it to block and allow. In the scenario and objective, part 1 configure and apply verify IPv6 ACL. Part 2 configure and apply verify the second IPv6 ACL. And in part 1 we need to configure and apply verify IPv6 ACL. Log and indicate a computer with the IPv6 address /24 network repeatedly, refreshing the web page. Caching and DDoS attack again on server 3 and until the client can be identified clean and used to make block HTTP, HTTPS access that network access list. So step 1, and we need to configure ACL that will block HTTP and HTTPS. And we need to configure ACL name with block HTTP on router 1, and we have to follow the statement. Part A, block HTTP and HTTPS traffic from reaching server 3. Okay, now we go to router 1. We go to CLI, enable to configuration mode, and then we need to create ACL name with block HTTP. We use command IPv6 access list or access list name block HTTP. Use command deny TCP any host. So IPv6 EQ www on HTTP, and then now we block HTTPS using with port 143. Okay, now part A we have finished, so we go to part B. Allow all other IPv6 to pass. We use command permit IPv6, which also we allow to pass IPv6, so we use any. Now we go to step 2, apply the ACL to the correct interface. Apply the ACL on interface close. Set the source of the traffic to be blocked. So we go to interface int g /1 IPv6 traffic filter. So we want to block HTTP, so block HTTP in. Okay, now after we finish step 2, apply ACL to the correct interface, we need to verify the ACL implementation. It means we test ping and test access from PC1 and PC2. Okay, now the step 1 is open web browser of PC1 and access to server 3 with IP like this, and then HTTPS on the website, it should be up here. So we go to PC1 desktop, go to web access and pass IPv6. Okay, it's reachable to server 3. PC1 can reachable to server 3. So we test with HTTPS. Okay, can reach to server 3. And then for PC2, open the web browser of PC2, access to server 3 with HTTP and HTTP ACLs should be blocked. So we go to PC2 desktop, web browser, paste IP address of server 3, go. Yes, it should be blocked because we apply the rule, don't allow PC2 access to web browser on server 3. So we test with HTTPS. Okay, the same. And step 3, ping from PC1 to server 3 should be successful. We use ping. Okay, we use ping. We start ping from PC2 to server 3. Okay, successful. So in this point, after you create access ACL IPv6 and deny and apply ACL rule on specific address, you can test step by step. Step 1 on PC1, PC2, and test ping from PC2 to server is the result. So like this, it means your configuration is correctly. If not successful by follow the guide, you can check your configuration on router 1. And now we go to part 2. Configure and apply ACL verify a second IPv6. The log now indicates that your server is received ping from many different IPv6 addresses in a distributed denial of the service DDoS attack. You may filter ICMP ping from request to the server. It means you need to filter ping or deny ICMP ping from any source to the server. So step 1, we need to create access list to block ICMP and configure an ACL name block ICMP on router 3 with the following statement. A. Block all ICMP traffic from any host to any destination. So we go to router 3, CLI, enable mode, configuration mode. So we start to create ACL name with block ICMP on router 3. Use command IPv6 access list. So access list name is block ICMP. So and then we block all the traffic from any host to any destination. So you comment deny ICMP any. Okay, does it mean every ICMP ping from any source it will deny, mean not allowed to ping to server to protect DDoS attack. And then we need to part B, we need to allow all other IPv6 to pass. Use command permit IPv6 any. Yes, it means that we allow all traffic IPv6 can ping to the server. So step 2, apply the ACL to the correct interface. In this case, ICMP traffic can come from any source. To ensure that ICMP traffic is blocked, regardless of the source or chain that occurs to the network topology, and apply ACL closet to the destination. It means we need to block on the closet interface. You know, closet interface is interface G01, G0/1. Sorry. So now we go to interface on router 3. We use command int G0/ and IPv6 traffic filter. So traffic filter with ICMP that we have created is block ICMP. Out. Okay, and now after we apply the ACL rule on a specific interface on the router 3, we need to step 3. We go to step 3 and we verify the proper access list function. 1. Ping from PC2 to server 3 should be filled. Okay, let's test on a PC2. When we ping to the server, server 3 should be filled. Should be filled, right? Command ping. Yes, unreachable. And part B, ping from PC1 to server 3 should be failed also, because we apply the rule disable ping. Ping to server 3. Yes, unreachable. And then open web browser on PC1 and access to server 3 should be displayed. Okay, we go to on PC1 web page, access to server 3, go. Yeah, PC1 can read to server 3. Okay, for all configuration on ACL IPv6 finish. So if you have any comment, or you can comment below. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel to get more video update. Thank you for watching and see you for new video.